My mission is to make you fall in love with this language of God's, Sanskrit Bhasha, thereby sharing the ancient wisdom, beauty, and joy of Sanskrit language. अमृतवाणी संस्कृत भाषा नैव च क्लिष्टा न च कठिना.
Welcome to Amrit Bhasha by me, Shraddha. Today's live is about Vasanta, Vasanta Ritu or Vasanta Panchami. Vasanta Panchami falls on the Shukla Paksha Panchami of Magha month, which marks the beginning of Vasanta Ritu. Vasanta Ritu in Bharata especially. This Ritu continues till Falguna and Chaitra month. So, you can see that the end of Hindu calendar is in Vasanta Ritu as well as the beginning. So, the Hindu calendar starts with Vasanta Ritu as well. So, let's begin with Vasanta Samaya Swabhavakhyanam. First Subhashita. आम्रे पल्लविते स्थित्वा कोकिला मधुरस्वरं चुकूजकामिनां चित्तम् आकर्षन्ति वदूतिका. So, kokila, the cuckoo bird, okay, sthitva, standing, or in case of a bird sitting on pallavite amre, the budding or sprouting mango tree. What does the kokila do? Madhuraswaram chukuja. Madhuraswaram, sweet voice or singing in the sweet voice. Okay, as if she is chittam akarshanti. She attracts the mind of kaminam. Kamin, or we can say the people who are desirous, rasika. So, kokila chittam akarshanti. She is like a dutika, messenger of Vasanta Ritu, who attracts the mind of kaminam, desirous people. Alright, so once again the Subhashita. Amre pallavite sthitva kokila madhuraswaram चुकूजकामीनां चित्तम् आकर्षन्ति वदूतिका. So, the mention of kokila is very necessary when we are talking about Vasanta Ritu. Now, the second Subhashita. Another speciality of Vasanta Ritu is that the position of sun in the sky. Okay, so as we all know, from Makara Sankramana, the sun starts going towards the north direction in the sky. There is a Subhashita which explains this phenomenon in the form of Kavya, and this Subhashita is from my childhood school days. Okay, so let's begin. Rathasthitanam parivartanaya पुरातनानामिव वाहनानाम् उत्पत्ति भूमौ तुरगोत्तमानां दिशि प्रतस्थेरविरुत्तरस्याम्. So, meaning is Puratananam iva vahananam, iva, as if to parivartanaya, change the Puratana Vahana. Vahana here indicates horses of the chariot, of sun's chariot. Okay, so as if to change the old horses of sun's chariot. Ravihi uttarasyam dishi pratasthe. Sun is pratasthe, is going or starts towards the uttarasyam dishi, in the direction of north. And where he is going exactly? Turagottamanam Utpatti Bhumau. So, Utpatti Bhumau, the land where best quality horses are bred. Okay, so land of best quality horses. Okay, so this reference is about Kabul, which was known as the land of best horses in the time of ancient Bharata. All right, so very good thought about this fact in that time, right? So hence the Subhashita. All right. Now, isn't it a coincidence that in the time of Vasanta Rutu, this Valentine's Day falls? Why? Because the Srushti, entire Srushti is celebrating love in Vasanta Rutu. Correct? So, let's recite a Subhashita for Prema, underlining Prema. Prema Satyam Tayoho Eva Yayo Yoga Viyogayoho Vatsara Vasariyanti Vatsariyanti Vasaraha. Yayoho Yoga, by the union of whom the Vatsaraha Vasariyanti. So this Subhashita, I mean whoever knows Sanskrit, they can understand the importance of Chvi Roop present in this Subhashita. Alright, so by whose union Vatsaraha Vasariyanti, meaning the years become days. It means that people who love each other, they are in each other's company. The days fly by. So the days fly by, the years fly by, and we feel that time, an year's time is like as if a day. Alright, and tayoho, yayoho, viyogayoho, okay, by the separation of whom, vatsariyanti vasaraha, due to the separation, when two people who are liking each other, loving each other, if they are separated, then even spending a mere day is impossible, is very difficult. That's why it says that the days become year, the days feel like years. So once again the Subhashita. Prema Satyam Tayoho Eva Yayoho Yoga Viyogayoho Vatsaraha Vasariyanti Vatsariyanti Vasaraha. So this is not true only for lovers. I mean anyone who loves each other like a mother and child or the family. This is true, right? When we are in each other's company, we feel years pass by just like days. But when we are away or separate from each other, we feel that days are like years. Fine. So I hope you liked all the Subhashita. And this is the first time I have done FB and Insta live together. So I'm really happy for your response, and thank you for joining. Have a good day.
Please like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon to get notification of all the future videos from Amrit Bhasha Sanskrit.